Hi, welcome back again. My name is Nazreen from freelancewithwebdesign.com. Today I'm going to share with you a little bit about subdomains. What is subdomains? So for those who don't know, subdomains is actually a way to actually multiple your website address. How should I put it? Okay, I'm just going to keep it short. I'm going to Google it, okay? Based on what I type in Google, subdomain, it gives you this this kind of description. The definition of subdomain is a domain that is part of a larger domain, just part of it, and that is not the only domain that is not is also a subdomain is also the root domain. For example, west.example.com, east.example.com, and anything something.com. So you can actually use it on many purposes. For example, if you run a web design business, which I'm currently running, you just be creative. Let's say, for example, your main website is for example, your name of your company is mywebdesignbiz.com, okay? And let's just say that this is your staging, this is your main website. You share your services, your portfolios, your about or your contact. So you don't want to mix with something which you want to sell. For example, you want to sell merchandise using the same domain. You can't be using the same. So you can create another website using the same domain but park it under subdomain. For example, shop.mywebdesign.biz.com. It is still the same. Just make it smaller. It is still the same. You don't need to buy a new domain. If you want it, I mean, by all means you can. But to save cost, you can just use a subdomain. You can also have lender.mywebdesignbiz.com. The purpose of a lender, perhaps you have a direct response page. You want to sell something that you want to make people read what is on the website, just the website without any navigation, or anything else. Basically, you can do anything with subdomain. One of the main reason people use subdomains is because you can have loads and loads of variations. Okay, so I'm gonna walk you through how you can actually install your subdomain. I'm using SiteGround as my hosting server company. So I'm gonna bring over the desktop over here. I'm gonna log in into my account, Roglitz. Okay, so this is the page that I have for SiteGround. For those who don't have any hosting, I would recommend SiteGround. And you go to websites. Okay, I'm gonna use these Roglitz as an example. Currently, the Roglitz have nothing on, or perhaps which domain should I use? Yeah, Roglitz lah. Okay, so number one thing that you need to do is go to the site tools. Okay, number one, go to the site tools, and when you reach the site tools dashboard, there is a lot of options over here. On the left tab, you go to domains, and then there's a drop down. The second one is subdomain. So you can create any form of subdomains. For example, I want to create a blog. Okay, blog.roglitz.com. I want to reserve this for only blogging. Okay, so that's it. That's about it. blog.roglitz.com. So for example, if I want to create a new WordPress website on a subdomain, that will go to, I think I got out, so I need to go back. So it's very simple. Right now, you go to WordPress, install and manage. Select here, select the subdomain. See, there's a reader drop down. If you create more subdomains, there will be like many subdomains available. So you select this subdomain. I don't need this starter plugin. I just create my own login for the username. blog admin, password, I just create anything. Oops, email, just put WordPress at rogueleads.com. This is just for demo purposes. Okay, install. That's about it. It took me like less than 1 minute to actually have your subdomain set up and then install it in WordPress. Okay, like maximum 2 minutes, just give or take. And just wait until SiteGround does this. And yeah, who would thought it would be very simple? It is installed. So that means what's next? You can actually view site, and you see this is the new WordPress website. So if you go into the back end, control panel, you can actually access the dashboard, and then you can start creating your own website. Okay, so that's about it for today. I'm gonna not go through each tutorial for creating a website, but you can catch in my future videos on how to quickly get your WordPress website up with SiteGround. I'm a big fan of SiteGround. Should you need any hosting company, I would urge you to get a hosting company with SiteGround. Okay, you can find the link below. Should you have any question, remember to write the comments, and remember to like and subscribe if you haven't already. Okay, and I'll see you soon. Ciao.